Garrett has ice cream in his hand, astronaut ice cream. Dried ice cream, and we're trying to catch a bird. Oh, here they come. Hello, birdie.
Freaking out still.
Where is it? In your hand still?
No, it's right here. Look at the big piece. Get it.
Catch it. Catch it. Oh my God.
This thing tastes gross. Look at that fat one.
He's hiding it. Come on.
Get it. Woo. I'll get you this time.
Oh yeah, there. Come here, little buddies. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go.
No, it's just that big black one. I'll eat
Oh, dude, look behind me. There's one. They're all over the place. Hey!
We're totally gonna get one.
Dude, that thing's so quick. You're not even gonna catch it.
Aww. Here, ready?
Where'd it go? She got it. She got it. They have it. They have it. Oh, dude, you're an idiot. You just got rid of more. Break it into another small piece.
Just in case they get it there. We left our shit all the way over there.